Collection Fibro Section Part akan nega video mentang an pensyai saya kan nega video dokumen nanti pastang ada doang ba kani kade kas chill tribe certificate tamba kidon kiba print ni katu gilek paksan kem tatar kidon dawan kalibiang sash kalibiang dan pensyai yang sash sen spangane kani latho kani away bang lapan bu lang ne berarti bat ka chill tribe certificate bakane ka format for SC/ST certificate kijui kentin ngada bang hiwa kada ditang ka format bagi ai ta kada ka skill tribe hi de skill tribe skill kaso kada ka format kada benlong komne kan yong te ka skill tribe jui kan ada ai yang tel this is to certify that Srimati Kumari Mtason, daughter of village town in district division te kana ka skill tribe ka ju this is to certify that Sri Kristeng Yuno, son of Srimati in the village town district is Hill state Meghalaya belong to Khas tribe which is recognized as a Sil tribe. Hang terwaju state territory state union territory dari state union. Tehnen marwang ba delete whichever applicable. Hakane ha po do atha delete whichever is applicable. Matba kinono kinting ba fikam don kam delete. Ta hang ter which is recognized as Chidel tribe non kam to Chidel caste marba ni Chidel tribe. Tela weng no under te ngi hangne ngi thotang artali the constitutional caste under order 1950 constitutional tribe order 1950 sim tangi katuga manikong barkabar terhadap samar is kasil don lang bos kasil tribe te don ki district ki bomdon ki thotang ki sim tangka sil tribe tangka we ni nem le riba sim baro yakane format te don balai pasan nama nek kunola le pasan nama khnang manam kulmar ki weru da kane hapo do nomor ba lada bang ba delete whichever is applicable mo hagane ka format SC/ST certificate te kisim no stang kane ka hapo gan ba katur tho as amended schedule caste tatar sim la pandap ba tho e katahi te se post tho Shri Karteng Tamta his family ordinary reside in village town district of Meghalaya te kisim kane ka hapo do ko bang Shri Srimati Kumari and or his family ordinary reside in village town district of the state of Meghalaya. District is Khasi state of Meghalaya. Signature te kabaman shwa nang don signature mo shwa manta lale computerized kalalong ka skill tribe kalalong kum ka domicile thik kar kumayu ki lale computerized baik online baik te kadau don sil don area lalong computerized baik kum domicile tehna do signature te manum no signature SDO ne magistrate ne DC ne hangte isa ayu hangte tehna tho by designation subdivisional officer kane ka barem te sa aisa ka sil sa ayang tu state no te tero designation with office sil kaju hi don you fer era kana sen ngal de penmana bang ba kibon ki skabra Ang hapo jong kane ka formal ong delete please delete the words which are not applicable kibom don kami delete no baro te kini ki constitution baro kibom don kamre kibom dere jongi la delete baro tengi sim tang artli silkas siltra temur ba hagane la da kiba apply silkas ti apply siltra be siltra kumta gan maka jong format te kanen marketing barem te hne atho ba form of tribe caste certificate Ibat mai mta la le computerized ai de kumwe don sil don issue long computerized ba kum ka misal be kum tu chutho ba tang karteng jo itai ba dei ba IAP kan ka certificate kum tam ta kata la biang don sil don dei te kadika jui wanum stu bakla kadika sil trapi te ba de print la biang ke ba de pa sign la biang ba pandap nai le re ne pimun kamera kata te tangka tahi try la shai ba de ne flash one